The WordPress Block Editor, also known as Gutenberg, is a versatile tool that allows you to create content with ease. Whether you're new to WordPress or looking to refine your skills, this guide will help you master the block editor and build engaging content for your website. To get started, you need to access the block editor. If you're creating new content, log into your WordPress dashboard and go to Posts, Add New, or Pages, Add New. This will open the block editor interface. If you're working with existing content, you can easily edit posts or pages by selecting them from your list of saved drafts or published content. The block editor interface is user-friendly and intuitive. In the top left corner, you'll find the block inserter button, represented by a blue plus sign. Clicking this opens a menu where you can explore all the available blocks categorized by type. In the center of the screen, you'll see the large content area where your content will be built using individual blocks. To add a block, simply click the plus sign, plus symbol, or type a / symbol, followed by the block type you need. For example, typing /paragraph will bring up the paragraph block. You'll encounter common blocks like paragraph, heading, image, list, and button. Familiarize yourself with these essential blocks, as they'll be the foundation of your content creation. Once you've added a block, you can begin customizing it. Each block comes with its own toolbar that appears when you select the block. The toolbar includes options for text formatting such as bold, italic, and alignment. Additionally, on the right sidebar, you'll find settings specific to each block. These settings allow you to customize things like color, typography, and spacing, giving you full control over the design. When it comes to organizing your content, the block editor makes it easy. You can easily rearrange blocks by dragging them or using the up and down arrows in the block toolbar. For more complex layouts, you can group multiple blocks together. To do so, select the blocks by holding down the Shift key and then click the Group option in the toolbar. If you have blocks that you frequently use, consider saving them as reusable blocks. This feature saves time when creating content by allowing you to insert pre-designed blocks with just a few clicks. Simply select a block, click the three-dot menu in its toolbar, and choose Add to Reusable Blocks. Once you're happy with your content, it's time to publish. Click the blue Publish button located in the top right corner to make your post or page live. If you're not ready to publish just yet, you can save your progress as a draft and come back to it later. Before you publish, it's always a good idea to preview your post or page. WordPress offers a preview option that lets you see how your content will look on different devices. You can also enhance your content creation process by exploring plugins that add new blocks or improve existing ones. These plugins provide additional customization options and help you get more out of the block editor. For further learning, consider watching tutorials like how to use the WordPress block editor for beginners, or reading articles from trusted resources such as Jetpack and WP Beginner. These offer valuable tips and in-depth guides to help you become a block editor pro. By following these steps and taking advantage of available resources, you'll be well on your way to mastering the WordPress block editor. With its power and flexibility, you can create visually appealing, well-organized content for your website with ease.